Okay guys, how are we all doing? Here we are again. We're going to do another tutorial today. And today I'm going to show you how, with this lovely fresh trout that I have. Again, I got this from the local supermarket, quite cheap. With this today, we're going to do some smoked trout, okay? And I'm going to show you the first stage, okay? So the skin's on, let's keep the skin on the trout. It's all been scaled. I've trimmed it up a wee bit, take that belly off, but we'll use that for something else later on. So all we need to do is take whatever size you want. You can either keep it in one whole piece or you can cut it into steaks. As I want to cut it into 4 little steaks. Okay, make sure your board's well anchored, non-slip mark, a good sharp knife. Okay, so here we have a lovely 4 steaks, okay, like that. There. Alright, so what I want to do is, before I smoke them, or home smoke them, this smoking we're going to do it in the house, in the kitchen here. I have other smokers in my garage, the proper smokers, but this I'm going to show you the easiest way for you guys to do it at home. Okay, so all I want to do now is I'm going to take a wee bit of salt mixture I have here. This is a salt and spice pepper mixture I have on my own made up, and I just want to give these a wee light seasoning. Okay, now we're going to salt these for about maybe an hour, okay, just to firm up the flesh a wee bit, okay, like that, just a wee drizzle, okay, like that. Then what we're going to do is we're going to set them into this tray, and we're going to stick them in the fridge, cover them and stick them in the fridge and leave them in there for about an hour, and then we can get the rest of the smoking stuff prepared. Okay, so that's the first stage in smoking the trout. Okay guys, here we are back. The trout's been in the fridge for an hour or so. So all I want to do now is I just want to quickly wash this off, so bear with me just a second. Okay, there we are. I just want to take a little bit of kitchen towel and just take some of the moisture off there. Okay, so that's the trout ready to go. Next stage is we need to take either a pot or a tray like this. Take a double layer of tin foil and put it in the bottom like that. Okay, now the smoking material you can add in you want. Today I'm going to use some tea bags. I've got some fresh thyme from the garden, fresh rosemary from the garden, some chive flowers, and a wee bit of wood chip here that I use from normal smokers. Okay, so all we do is just open up the tea bags, put the tea in there. You can use dried herbs as well to give you extra flavour. Okay, you could use jasmine tea, scented tea, all sorts of stuff. Okay. Like that. Okay, then I'm going to add in some of my wood chips. These are oak, these come from Germany, believe it or not. Okay, then I'm just going to strip some of the leaves, rosemary, put them in there as well. Okay, and from the thyme. Strip the leaves from the thyme and put them in there as well. Looking good. And some of the wee chive flowers just to get a wee oniony flavour in there as well. Okay. So once we've done that, we want to give the mixture a good mix up together. Okay, spread it out over the tray like that. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to sit this wee tray inside. Okay, like that. Okay, and then we're just going to set the fish on top, like that. Now this is going to smoke and cook at the same time. Okay, so you can have it when it comes out the smoker, nice and warm, or you can let it cool down and have it for a salad okay, with a nice garnish. Right, so all we need to do now is take another piece of tin foil, cover that over the top, seal it, okay, and we're going to stick it onto the gas. Turn the gas on. And what happens now, that will heat up, that will start to burn the tea and the wood and the herbs in there, and that will give it a smoke. The intense heat in there, kept in by the tin foil, will cook the fish at the same time, so it's doing a double job. So we'll come back to it when it's ready. Okay, so as you can see guys, this is smoking away nicely here, okay, and cooking at the same time. You get all that lovely flavour in there. So just keep that there. It'll probably take about 15 minutes or so, thereabouts, then we'll check the salmon. One thing I will say is, make sure you keep the doors closed and keep the alarms, not stop them from going off, okay? We'll come back to it once it's finished. Okay guys, that's been roughly about 15 minutes or so, and here we have it. That's it, beautiful trout, smoked and cooked. Now we could either eat that straight away raw, or we could let it cool down and make it for a salad. Either way, that's a very simple and easy way to do it. You can do it with salmon, you can do it with other white fish, you can do it with other small rainbow trout as well, and it's absolutely fantastic. You can change all the different components that you're burning to make different flavours. So give it a try, see how it comes out, see how you enjoy it. Take care now and enjoy.